The world of online business just shifted and most people are still sleeping on it. Right now, there is a massive gap opening up between the entrepreneurs using AI and those who are doing everything the old way. One group is scaling at light speed, while the other is burning out on busy work. If you feel like you're constantly behind, trying to keep up with content, funnels, and ads, you need to stop what you're doing. The AI Secrets Challenge by Brunson and Todd Dickerson is about to close its doors. And this is the one event that will determine if you stay ahead of the curve or get left in the dust. Think about how business used to work. To launch a successful funnel, you needed a team of copywriters, designers, and tech experts. It took weeks, sometimes months, and thousands of dollars before you even knew if your offer would work. I've been there, staring at a blank screen, trying to figure out how to make a funnel convert, only to realize I was out of time and budget. But then everything changed. Brunson, the man who pioneered the funnel revolution, found a way to code his decades of marketing genius into AI. Imagine having a world-class marketer sitting right next to you, building your funnels, writing your scripts, and creating your content in seconds instead of days. That is exactly what happens inside this 5-day challenge. It's not just about using ChatGPT, it's about a specific system to build a one-person AI business that actually scales. You're learning how to automate the heavy lifting so you can focus on the big picture. The clock is ticking. This isn't just another webinar. It's a live, immersive experience that is 100% free, but only if you get in before registration hits capacity. If you want to see exactly how the inner circle is using AI to dominate their markets, you need to act now. Don't let this be another "I wish I had joined" moment. Click the link in the description or comment the word AI right now, and I'll send you the private link to secure your spot. The doors are closing, the challenge is starting, and your new AI-powered business is waiting. See you on the inside.